How to see who shared your Instagram reel. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on a device. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards profile at bottom right corner and make sure that you have switched your personal account to professional account. If not yet, open the three-line icon at top right corner and then scroll down. Select account type and tools under for professionals and then tap switch to professional account. Click continue until this section. Then tap what best describes you. Tap on and choose whether creator or business. Select next. And if you wish to share logins using Account Center, tap continue, otherwise not now. Here you need to set up your professional account and once completely close Instagram app. Now reopen Instagram application and you have to simply head towards profile and you will see that your professional dashboard is already here. Now you need to head to your profile feed and select a reel for which you want to see who shared your Instagram reel. Then tap three dots at top right corner and from this menu bar you will see View Insights option. Select that. And from this Reel Insights you will need to scroll down. And on the interactions you will see shares. So currently we'll only be able to know the numbers of people or users on Instagram who shared our Instagram reel, but not actually the user ID of that particular person on Instagram. So if there is any further updates available on Instagram, we will let you know. But for that, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell for the updates of Instagram. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then like it and thank you for watching.